Those reindeer really messed us up. It doesn't feel like I'm in Alaska. I just feel like I'm in a really snowy place.
You have arrived at your destination.
Today's fit, minus my snowsuit, because that layer comes on later. Today's vlog is unintentionally sponsored by Patagonia. As you can see, I'm prepared for this weather. Good morning, vloggers, vloggies, vlog people watching the vlog. I am very nervous for today's adventure. It is about 8:30 in the morning. We're about to go get some coffee at Starbucks, and then we're heading off to something I've been dreading since planning this trip. It's gonna be fun, but it's outdoors for a couple hours, and we're doing a winter hike. Iz is back. Say hi. Hi. She's got us all ready. Water and everything, because we're not dehydrating out here.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm nervous because I don't do outdoor activities in the wintertime. Like, if I do, it's like a 30-minute photo shoot or walking from the car to the coffee shop or something. I don't know, like something very small. I'm not outside, so I'm scared. But we're hiking a glacier, so hiking a glacier is I gotta be excited, even if I'm nervous. So you'll see what that's like. 8:30 in the morning. This is what it looks like in Alaska. It's quite cold and quite dark. This is the northernmost Starbucks in the whole world. There is no Starbucks more north than this one. All right, we're driving off.
Yes.
Driving to our hike destination. Do you want to tell them what it is or where it is?
We're going to a glacier cave, an ice cave.
Ooh, ice cave. Sounds chilly.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
All right, y'all. So we've got the essentials right here. We've got the camera, the Yeti filled with the Starbucks. We've got the driver. We're doing this. We're good to go. This hike is gonna be great. It's not gonna be too cold. Wait, okay. Do you guys see my glasses right now? So I got these glasses and I didn't realize that they had blue light filter. Well, it's like super, like, look, you can like really see it. What were you owing?
Didn't remember if I brought my contacts, but I think I did. I don't know. It's okay.
Okay, I think I brought mine too.
Yeah.
We're good. Don't worry, guys. These babies are coming off.
Yeah,
We're gonna get into it.
It's gonna fog up.
Oh yeah, we're not letting that happen. Take a look at the views. It's a winter wonderland, is what it is. The open road. It's beautiful. Look at the mountains.
I know. But snow, it's windy.
Wow. We just wow. So we just made a quick stop. What's the name of this lake? Birch Lake. It's completely frozen over, snowed over. People are taking snowmobiles out there. That's what these tracks are that you're seeing. This is just a stop. We're not at our destination. We had to stop and take a look.
Turn right to stay on Birch Lake Pull-Off.
Alright, back to the destination route.
Then turn left
Here we go.
Alaskan 2 East.
Shaking so much. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Like I'm finally able to see the mountains, but I'm shaking so much. There we go. Better. All right, first stop before, I guess second stop because we stopped at the lake. But stopping here to get some stuff.
South toward Lodging Access Road.
Yeah. We're gonna get some snacks and some food and stuff. So, yay! We're at Delta Junction, right?
Yes.
Delta Junction. We're about, what, 45 minutes out? About 45 minutes. We got our Christmas music playing from the phone because the radio signal's out. We are out here in the wilderness. We are completely out here. And it is so windy that the car is like moving a little bit, you know? We're having a really fun trip. It's just a little scary. But our driver over here is doing a great job. Just keeping us stable, but like we're literally watching the snow twirl around in circles on the like street in front of us, like on the road, because of how windy it is, and it looks really cool. I'm trying to capture it on video, but I don't know if it's gonna capture it. So these mountains. Oh, look at. Those reindeer really messed us up. Darn you, reindeer! Explain to the people what happened is.
We got distracted, but too excited, and the wind, the ice, no four-wheel drive, too like summer tires.
AKA like all the worst possible scenarios.
And still the best situation.
We just ended up in a slight accident.
Slight.
I don't even know if it's an accident because like I don't know what you would consider an accident, but we're not on the road anymore, and we can't get back. We can't get back. And thankfully,
yeah, luckily people stopped and tried to help us, and then this random tow truck guy was on his way to help someone else, and then now has stopped to help us.
Yes, he's
so sweet.
He's back there. That's him. That's the cable tow truck guy. That's literally the name of the company. It's like
it is
cable guy in towing. We love Cable Guy in Towing. If you're ever in Alaska and you need a tow company, Cable Guy in Towing. That's who you call.
Yes.
This is quite an experience, guys. So what's really crazy about this whole situation is, I don't know, maybe like, how long ago? 30 minutes, an hour ago? 30 minutes to an hour ago? I was telling Iz, I was like, oh, so like, have you ever just driven and like seen a moose on the road, like just in front of you? And she's like, no, like I usually don't see them. Like other people point them out to me, but they blend in. And I'm like, oh man, like I really want a Polar Express moment where there's like a bunch of like caribou in the middle of the street and like, you know, like we're stopped because like all of them are there and they're just like right in our face.
I know.
And then literal Polar Express moment, because when that happens, they're like on the icy whatever thing, and they're like right off the tracks.
Yeah.
And they're like
almost
tip over. The whole train almost tips over. That's literally us right now. Those caribou, like we're in the middle of the road and we tipped over. Yeah. Oh my gosh, the cops are here. Wait, yeah, Santa's here, guys. I don't know if you can see him.
Oh snap.
But the cops are here too.
That's true.
There's a lot going on right now. Oh my gosh, we might be fugitives. It's fine.
Goodness.
It's fine. Also, I really want you guys to see Santa.
Look, he's wearing a whole hat.
Where's he? Where's he?
The cop guy.
Oh, the cop.
He's wearing like a
mountaineer hat. Oh my god, he's coming towards us. Can you see him in in the mirror? No, I don't.
I'm glad they were like, oh, you're not the only ones. This wind
I
is
know,
really
this
bad.
wind is so bad. It's like
Yeah.
25 miles an hour, guys. We're basically in a hurricane. It's a winter hurricane is what it is.
Okay.
Try to drive because they'll just try to pull you out.
All right.
Guys, that was Santa.
That was recording.
Oh, here we go.
Actually, I don't know which way he wants me to go. I think it's this way.
We're moving. Yeah, I think you gotta go up. You gotta go up.
Yeah.
We're being towed right now, y'all.
Can you see him pulling it?
No, it's kind of like...
Wow, this is scary. Jeez.
It's foggy all of a sudden.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, I don't like how that
I feel like that was from the car.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
There's no way we're getting out of this car. So.
Uh-oh. We stopped. Why did we stop?
Wanted me to
We just had to straighten the tire. That was it. That's it. We're fine. It's fine.
Stop. We would have to wait for a really long time.
I know. This is like
Ooh.
amazing. It's a Christmas miracle. Shout out to Jesus for looking out for us. It's crazy. It's so crazy. Amazing.
60 miles per hour. That's
Yeah, that's crazy.
We were like, it's 60.
It's 60.
We couldn't tip.
Yeah, we really could have tipped. Okay, so
Thank you.
we're back from the tow truck and heading over to Castner once again.
In this crazy wind that's 60 miles per hour.
This was our third stop, accidentally. I mean, technically it's more like our fifth because we started our day like
bunch of
leaving.
other stops.
Yeah, like we stopped, we had to get gas. Then we had to go back home because I needed to change my shoes. And then we finally went and then we stopped for food. Like, so yeah, we've had several stops, but we're doing this. Oh, let's see if my seatbelt's working now. Oh, yay, seatbelt's working now. It stopped working when we veered off the road a little bit, but now we're good. And we're back at it.
Yeah.
Here we go.
On
There's
the
a
road again.
there's a high possibility that I won't document a lot of the hike just because it's probably going to be hard and cold and it's so windy that I don't know if I'm going to be able to take out the camera and actually like do something with it. So if anything, I'll just show you the views when we get there, but we'll see. Okay.
Okay.
Are you seeing this road?
Yeah.
Thank you, tow truck.
Thanks, Glenn.
Thanks, Glenn.
So close.
I know, it's like, it's insane. Because it really is like we're so close, but we're so far. All right, we're getting ready.
I'm pretty good.
All right,
Is that?
we're doing this. Is it supposed to be directly on my forehead, or can I put it on my hat?
It doesn't matter. It's just how you want to see. Okay. Okay.
We're ready for this. Look at this view, people! It cleared up so much. We're about to hike this mountain! Totally, we're not. It's a joke. It's a joke. We're doing this! We're hiking the glacier! Whew. We got our headlamps for if it gets cold. There's a car coming. We're in the middle of the road. It's great. Oh, we're this side? Okay. All right. Let's see if we survive this. I think so. I'm the warmest I've ever been in the snow.
Not even snowing anymore.
Yeah, literally getting here was crazy. And look, it's like, yeah, it's completely clear. We got this. Yeah. So cool. Wow.